Let's see map function in Python. Actually, map function is used to display. There are a lot of use of map function. See, it is mainly used to apply a given function to every item of a table, such as list or tuple, and returns a map object. Let's see a simple example of map to convert a list of strings into a list of integers. Actually, what I will do here, I have just defined one list of strings, and I will convert in integer format. Like this is a string 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. So see 1, 2, 3, 4 here are strings. I have to convert in integer. Result will be map int s. So it will be converted in integer format, and then I will print list result. See, run code. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. This is now list, and list is this in integer format. So here what this is doing, uh, convert a list of strings to a list of integer. Okay, this is first use. Now see second some use more. Here I will use second use, converting map object to a list. Converting map object to a list. Just here. Uh, Actually, by default, the map function returns a map object, which is an iterator. Uh, and in some cases, we need to convert this iterator to a list of work with the results. Uh, See, I have been given a list here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is integer list, and I have to define a function to just make it double. So define double, it will take any value, and what will it will return? It will just return value of times 2. So this is just what each element of the list a will be doubled after calling this function. And how will I call this function in the result? Actually, if we traverse inside the list, we will have to call one by one, but I want to what pass this complete list a. So I will use map here. Okay, I will pass this one list, and this will map double comma a. Sorry, this is double now. Now print result. See what it is doing. It is returning 2, 4, 6, and 8. So just it is doubling each element of this what list 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is double function we have defined, but it is mapping. Here we don't have to call this function by general way passing argument. We have just mapped. So what does map here do here? Map function will return a map object, which is an iterator. Okay, and this iterator will pass to a that list. So like in double value, each item of this list will go, say double is the function, and by mapping what it will do, each item of this list will be called by using this double function, and then that will store inside this list. So no need to call one by one by each for each element. It is directly mapping using iterator of this a. That means for each element of this list a, it is passing its elements and returning its value. Okay. See next function of map with lambda. Sorry, map with lambda. So what is lambda function? Lambda function is used for generally a short function. That means by using lambda function, we no need to define in a complete function form. In one sentence we can do. So lambda function, we will use a lambda function instead of a custom function with map to make the code shorter and easier. Okay, just see here the list, integral list 1 2 3 and 4, and what I have to do, using lambda function in this parameter, I will double each element. Okay, so in result I will store inside list format, and this will map by using each element of that list a, and I will create one lambda function here. See, it's lambda function already we have. See, that means this double function was defined outside, but in lambda function it is defined inside here only. So lambda x, this will just double x two times, and here I will pass each argument of this list 1 2 3 4. Here we have just defined this double function outside, here we are defining lambda function inside of this argument, and now print the result. This will also print the double element. I just put here 5 also. So what happened? 5. Let's run this code only. So see 2 4 6 8 10, 2 4 6 8 and 10. It is returning here. Okay. Now see another use of map function. 4 number, using map with multiple iterables. Okay, so we can use map with multiple iterables if the function we are applying takes more than one argument. So see here, more than one list are here given, like I just copy this one a and b 5 6 and 7. Okay, take 4 element because I have to add, so I will define one add function using lambda, so 4 element in each. So what I will do, I will find out the sum of both the list element. So map, I will define lambda function here inside lambda, and x comma by, this will do what, x plus y, and I will pass here argument both the list a comma b. So what should it do? It will print the sum of each element of the list. Here also I can do list, no issue. 1 second, just run this code only. So see, sum here is 6, 8, 10, 12. 6, 8, 10, and 12. So multiple iterables can also be used with map functions. Okay. Next is next use of map functions is 5 number, converting to uppercase. I will see some examples. Okay. Converting to uppercase. By using map function we can convert. This is not a special use of map function, but by using map function we can do this one also. I will define some fruits equal to, let's see some fruits, apple, uh, another fruit, take any name, cherry, is tomato fruit or what, banana. Okay, any name you can take here. I will just taken fruits like this. And what I will do, result will be map. Actually, if you have understood upper function now, then it's fine, because it is using same thing here. I am just calling an function here, str dot upper. This is function by defined function inside Python, and I will call here this list. And what it will do, it will pass each element of this list using argument, and then it will print the what result in uppercase format. Print list result. So see here, str dot upper, this has been called for uppercase letters. So see here, apple, cherry, banana, all are here uppercase. Apple, cherry, and banana. Next, what I will do, extracting first characters. Actually, anything you can do by using lambda function. Na, here, what I can do here, I want to extract the first character of each. So why, for extracting first character, what I will have to do, I will have to define one lambda function here. And this lambda function, what I will do, I have to extract first character or any character. Then in this case, what it will do, it will extract the first character, and see, if we run this one, then only first character A, C, and B are here printed. A, C, and B. Okay. So like that. Uh, so this is the use of map. You can call any function here and pass complete list as argument. Okay. So this was the case of map function.